This is the Fire Eagle 825. Having problems with the receiver and the battery. Don't really know what's the problem. As you see here, is charged. So I'm gonna unplug it and plug it up here. Connection. Turn on the helicopter. Remote control is on. Turn on, nothing happens. Hit the light button, nothing happens. Now, let me connect this to the helicopter. Light comes on. Now I hit the light switch. Everything lights up on the helicopter. And there's a light on the receiver. It says it needs to be charged up a little bit, but we just fully charged it. I hit the button. You hear the sound that it can't turn from the flickering in the lights. So let me unplug this part of the control of the charger. Take that off. Light's still flickering. Hit the remote. Nothing happens. Cut it off. Light's still flickering. So obviously it's doing this on its own. Now I take this part off. Nothing happens. So could it be the receiver? Or could it be the battery at fault? Please help.